Hi, I'm Caroline from the Khan Academy Kids team, and I'm here today with my friend Sophie. Thank you all so much for coming back for Circle Time with Khan Academy Kids. Do you all want to say hello to my friend Sophie? Hi, Sophie.
Hi, Caroline. Hi, everyone. I'm so excited to be here with you, Caroline, doing Circle Time with Khan Academy Kids. Today, I heard we're going to read a book from the Khan Academy Kids Library and do some fun activities. Are you ready?
We are. So I'm going to get my book out. And today we are going to read the book Sandy Says. My friend Sophie is really excited because one of her favorite characters is Sandy. Do you know who Sandy is? Sandy is the yellow character on the cover of this book, and she is a dingo. Do you know what a dingo is?
Dingoes, Caroline, are wild dogs from Australia. They're very friendly wild dogs, and Sandy is one of my favorite Khan Academy Kids characters. She's really fun, and she's really kind, and she's really smart. She loves math and music. So I can't wait to read Sandy Says with you.
Thanks so much, Sophie. Let's read about Sandy and her friends, Reya and Ollo. Sandy, Reya, and Ollo were hanging out together. They had just shared a snack and were ready to have fun. Let's play Sandy Says. Oops, let's play Simon Says, said Sandy. Okay, Reya said, that's a fun game. Can I be Simon first? Sandy asked. Sounds good, Ollo said. What should she tell them to do? Simon says, touch your head, said Sandy. Simon says, shake your hands, Sandy told her friends. This is silly, said Ollo. But it's too easy, Reya said. Should we try something harder? Sandy thought about it. Simon says, spin around 6 times, Sandy said. Reya and Ollo spun around until they were dizzy. Wow, that was harder, Ollo said. Okay, friends, we are going to try to spin around 3 times. Sophie, do you want to do it with me?
Yeah, I do, Caroline.
Okay, let's do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness.
That was hard.
I am a little bit dizzy. Let's see if I can keep on reading. Sandy said, now Simon says sing a song and hop on 1 foot. How are we going to do that? Reya asked. I don't know, Ollo shrugged, but let's give it a shot. What kind of songs would you want to sing?
Oh, let's see, Caroline. Some of our friends are saying Baby Shark, Muffin Man,
Ooh,
and the Hello song.
Those are great songs. I would love to hear you sing them sometime. Reya and Ollo had to sit for a second. I just had a great idea, said Sandy. Simon says, stand on your head and touch your toes. Reya and Ollo tried. Sandy gave them a helping hand. Have you ever tried to stand on your head and touch your toes?
That looks pretty hard, Caroline.
I'd say that's pretty tricky. It was no use. Reya and Ollo and Sandy ended up in a heap. Can I be Simon now? Asked Reya. Of course, said Sandy. Just don't make Simon say anything too hard, Ollo added. Okay, Reya said. Simon says, jump into the sky and touch the sun. Sandy and Ollo laughed. Just kidding, said Reya. Put your hands on your hips. Reya smiled as they did just that. I didn't say Simon says, she told them. Do you think that's why Reya's laughing?
Yeah, I think so. Reya thinks that's funny.
Yes. So let's do some activities now. This is the word shake, and it's spelled S-H-A-K-E. So it starts with an S, which normally makes a S sound on its own, and an H, which normally makes the H sound on its own. But when you put the S and the H together, it makes the sh sound. Do you all want to do that with me? Ready?
Yeah.
Shh. Great. Sophie, what are some other words that start with the sh sound?
Words that start with the sh sound. Shoe?
Yep, that's a great one.
Should?
Mm-hmm.
And show?
Yeah, and also shh when you're trying to tell somebody to be quiet.
That's a good one, Caroline.
Word shake. So here's a sentence. Do you remember which word is shake? It starts with S-H. Can you find it with me? I think it's the second word in the sentence. I'm going to tap it.
Shake.
Yep.
Great. That's the word shake.
And this is the word spin. It starts with an S that makes the S sound and a P that makes the P sound. And together they make the sp sound. Do you all want to say that with me? Sp. And what are some words that start with that sound, that blend sp?
I'm hearing someone say spots and spiders. Ooh, that's scary. Spiders start with the sp sound.
Those are great words. Spiders and spot and spin. They spin and get dizzy. That's what this sentence says. Can anyone spot the word spin in this sentence? I think it's the second word.
Spin. Super. That's the word spin.
All right, one more sentence. Simon says, blank your hands. Which word should we use? Let's see. I have two words that you've seen.
Shake. Spin.
Simon says, spin your hands, or Simon says, shake your hands. I think it's shake.
Shake. You made the sentence. Simon says, shake your hands. Great.
That was fun. Did you all have fun? So now, do you all know how to play Simon Says? So I would love for you all to take it home with you and find somebody in your family to play Simon Says with, or maybe Sandy Says, and you can teach them the rules. What are the rules, Sophie, for this game?
Well, when somebody says, Simon says, do a little dance, we all do a little dance. But if we don't say Simon says, if we don't hear those magic words, then we just stay still.
That's great, and that would be so much fun if you all would like to play that game. Let us know how it goes. So now, I think it's almost time for us to wrap up. But if you would like to read more books and play more activities in Khan Academy Kids, you can ask your parents to help you download the app. And before we leave, I'd love to just do one more fun thing. Okay, let's all get up now and put your hands on top of your head. Did you do it?
Yes, I think a lot of people did it, Caroline. Oops.
Did I say Simon Says?
No!
Okay, let's try again. Simon says, put your hands on top of your head.
Yay!
That's fantastic. All right, so let's think about the things you can ask your family to do in this game, as Simon says, or Sandy says. What kind of things do you think you're going to ask them to do?
Oh, I'm hearing someone say, Simon says, wash your hands. Really
Ooh, that
well.
is a good one. Very important these days, too. So thank you all for joining us in Circle Time. We're going to say goodbye for now, but we'd love to see you again tomorrow at the same time. So goodbye for now from Caroline and Sophie and the Khan Academy Kids team. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye-bye. Have a great day.